Okay, see these big blue buildings? So I'm looking at the distance right now, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of like a big wall of buildings. These are all connected actually. One big stretch of long, tall, wide, lake-wise buildings with a kind of cool other side. So there's a van that just went by, all the cars going by right there. It's kind of interesting too. And anyways, I'm gonna be right in the middle of it. I'm gonna be filming, so watch for that. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, I did a video once in the past. Let's see what this is. There's a big wall here. So I'm just trying to capture this from this angle. I did a video in the past of this blue building because it's such a strange, unusual building. And I think I might walk into it a little bit, but also just kind of show you what's around it. And around it is basically a lot of other tall buildings. There's these interesting buildings too. And basically this whole street is just filled with tall buildings all the way down. And then way down there there's a mountain, a hill. But this blue one in particular is pretty interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk into this and we're just going to explore a little bit, because you have this big kind of open plaza which could be amazing for tables and chairs. It makes me wonder if I once had it. Actually right there you can see a balcony right there. It's just a pretty cool spot right there like that. So what I'm going to do in a second is I'm going to walk in the space. There's Cafe Lisboa right here. Japanese. That's actually written in Japanese too. Okay. And phonetically written as well in English. Okay. And now check out this one. I don't know if you can, how well you can see this, but there's like a little curvature to it. Actually, that's a pretty good view right there too. And here's a restaurant. This restaurant has Shimui beans, Okay. Some kids playing badminton. See how crazy that is? Step out a little bit. So we're just gonna go all the way down, and this goes outside. This goes through the building. So this is a quick way to that side of the building, and then which I might do in a minute. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And we're just gonna keep going this way. Yeah, and actually, I think I might actually just go through the building to the other side. Such a crazy looking building. So I had another video called that blue building, I think it's called. I filmed it maybe 6 months ago, and I filmed in this space. So I think I'll try to link it in here. And I think I also remember doing that one, and I wanted to check out these lanterns because it's pretty cool. Now we're into the sunshine, which isn't as good for the video. So I'm going to try to just kind of walk through it, deal with the sunshine a little bit. Then we'll catch the other side. There's some construction. But now we're on the other side of the blue building. I'm just going to go up, see. I don't know if you can see how cool those things are right there, all the way up. The apartments like that. So yeah, that cool blue building. And they used to have more Korean stuff in here too, but there's another balcony right there too. Balcony, so people that have those floors have a balcony. So let's just kind of walk around this blue building a little bit. Get out of the sun as well. The typhoon came, this 7-Eleven sign was, I remember filming it was on the ground. Yeah, the big thing just fell off with the typhoon. So I'll just get that right there. Yep. Let's just kind of see what else is in here. Novo Korea. It's written in Spanish or Portuguese. Usually things are in Portuguese. Korean. Salon. Oh, salon. Hair salon. Sorry. Hair salon. Hair salon. So yeah. Oh, okay. Hair salon right there. Hair salon. So in Korean, salon. Salon. Something like that. Okay. Massage. Used to be more Korean stuff here, but not so much anymore. But curious. Okay. That's a pretty cool shot right there. Photogenic. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it right here. Chiquinha,